Hello. The issue I'm finding with most of my clients that prevents them from losing weight or stopping emotional eating and cravings is very often founded in a toxin buildup. You see, by eating normal, not always the healthiest food and environmental toxins and just toxins in our life, there eventually is a time where the toxins build up in our body, and that's mostly, by the way, in the liver, and of course the digestive system is affected. And this leads to a whole lot of different issues that can be weight gain or rather that you struggle to lose weight. It leads to cravings. It can have hormonal ups and downs and issues with hormones. It can also lead to immune issues or inflammation. So there are actually so many things when toxins are involved in your body that are not really helping you. You really get sicker and sicker, and eventually it can lead to worse things like different chronic diseases. So I really recommend, before starting any way of any journey of health or so, is actually to get rid of the toxins, because very often I see people, they do diets or they try to get healthier. Perhaps they might follow an exercise program, or they even work sometimes with a nutrition coach together or so. But if they don't get rid of toxins, then if the system, you can imagine it like a pipe, if the system is blocked, nothing goes out there. And I think it's quite figurative actually as well, because if your liver and your whole digestive system is completely blocked with toxins, nothing can go. And then very often we can develop, for example, skin issues, because skin is the biggest detox organ actually. So if it can't go through your digestive system, eventually it goes out through your skin. And very often people who have skin issues actually have digestive issues, and a detox will definitely help that. It's a little bit more complicated, but definitely it helps a lot. So I recommend for you, if you have one of these issues I mentioned, my 10-day sexy weight program. Now, the 10-day sexy weight program is actually a detox, a cleanse that just lasts 10 days, is very, very easy to follow, and helps you to get rid of toxins, to get rid of cravings, and also helps you to lose weight, of course. So the pounds will just tumble while you become so much healthier. So before I tell you a little bit more about the program, just a little bit about me. Sorry for the noise. I'm Andrea Caprio, the owner and founder of Wellness Methods. And I became, through my own history of stress and emotional eating, I actually became to realize how much the healthy food is helping me. But it's not only the healthy food, because there's so much more to it. And when I became our master transformational nutrition coach, I actually realized how much also the emotional health, the psychology, and all this play together to be really, really healthy and stay like that. And that is, of course, very important when you want to keep your weight and you just want to feel better with more energy. And low energy was always my problem. And when I started to detox and then continue eating healthy, I felt so much better and I had so much more energy, no more fatigue. So in my program, you will actually get over 10 days a full guide. So that is a full holistic guide actually that helps you to detox body, mind, soul. As I mentioned earlier, I really believe that it's so important not only to address the physical part of the body, but also the emotions and your spiritual side as well. So it has really a step-by-step program through those 10 days, starting with 3 days of pre-cleanse, where you prepare, you get everything ready. I even give you some really special discounts for supplements that help you to detox even faster. Not that I say supplements are necessary, you can do it without, but they just help you to accelerate. But basically the detox is really based on healthy food. Yes, it's no starving, it's no I can't eat that or that. You can, of course, certain things you should eat rather and leave some out, but there are so many options that you can eat. It's just nourish your body, mind, soul. And that I really find important. And that's when I was studying, I really learned how much that is important. And especially working, in specialization I have in digestive health, hormonal health, and also weight loss and emotional eating, I find that always very important to combine all these things together. So you get this full plan, and they have really over the 10 days, step by step, how you can detox your body, mind, soul. Also included in my little program is a meal plan. And it's actually, I say little, I think I should say big, because it's 10 days, but it has so much in actually to make your life easier and to make it really easy to start with the program immediately and get it going as well. Because what the heck if you don't do it? It's for nothing really. Oh, it's always good to start somewhere, but it's really helpful because there's a meal plan for the 10 days, so you can just follow it. It gives you the breakfast, the lunches, the dinner, the snacks, and a lot of motivation and little extras in between. As well included are the recipes, of course. And there you have recipes for smoothies, which are my favorites. I have a smoothie every morning, still today, and some healthy salads and soups and some healthy dinners as well, and a couple of snacks, because let's face it, we still want to snack, and the detox you're allowed to. Just let's make something that is nourishing for your body and stimulates also your detoxification system. And then as well, you have a lot of bonuses in there. There's a shopping guide. I also included a blueprint and a couple of surprises you're going to see in the program. So you can do the program again and again. You get it once, you have lifetime access, but you also can just download it. It's really handy in PDFs, so you can look at it on your computer, on your phone, wherever you want, or you can print it out as well. Really handy for you to keep it and to go through over and over. I personally like to do a detox about, I recommend 2 to 4 times a year. Depends, it's very nice to do that during, in between the seasons or so when the seasons change. But that's up to you, and of course it always depends on your health. So whatever it is, please, whenever you do something like a detox, always double check with your doctor if that's right for you. Also in terms of supplements, and of course if you are, for example, pregnant, or if you just had an operation also, that might not be always the right thing. So please double check with your doctor. I have a promo offer, so check out the details just here on the page and join me inside the program. There's also a Facebook group you can join, so you can get tips there and share, and if you have any questions I can support you. And you get lots of discounts for all the supplements, and even more supplements if you want them. So just sign up here. You have the special price. It's not gonna stay there forever, I can just tell you that. So rather be there quickly. Again, my name is Andrea Caprio, and I'm here to support you. So if you have any questions, please just reply to me, send me some comments, or just send me a message or so, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you inside the program. Bye-bye.